smash and blow up your box music. Take it back to that bat, making me fiends in my teens for hardcore rap. Make my face real mean when I heard G-rap. And when Kane kicked the raw kid, I knew for a fact that there's nothing like hip-hop. Nothing like hip-hop. Nothing like hip-hop. It ain't nothing like hip-hop music. Nothing like hip-hop. Nothing like hip-hop. Nothing like hip-hop. It ain't nothing like hip-hop music. Pop, R&B, rock is cool with me, but it's hip-hop that really keeps moving me. Make me all that I am, 360 around, shake me mentally whenever I was hearing them sounds like Slick Rick and his great adventures. Rockin' schooling me about the 5%. This KRS drop science, knowledge of self, while my girl was jingling, rocking bells with L. Run, raising hell, sharing rap in the Brits, while I told me all about bloods and crips. Learned about politics when I checked PE, being all about business with EPMD. When gangster with Just Eyes and WA, got my dance on with Bismarck and Kid and Play. Got native for De La Quest and JB's, while looking at my Gucci like Schoolie D. Nothing like hip-hop. Nothing like hip-hop. Nothing like hip-hop. It ain't nothing like hip-hop music. Nothing like hip-hop. Nothing like hip-hop. Nothing like hip-hop. It ain't nothing like hip-hop music. Ain't nothing like bumping street hot when you need to boost your mind with some mental shots. Just play on Matic. Reasonable doubt to step in the arena on a primo round. Epic